Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Iman and you're watching Math with Iman. So today in this video, we're going to be finding the slope and the y-intercept from an equation. So in this lesson, I will teach you how to find the slope and the y-intercept of an equation when it is in slope-intercept form. So what is slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form equations are basically written as y equals mx plus b. So these are all examples of equations that are written in slope-intercept form. So we always have a y, and we don't have anything that's being multiplied with y. And we have a number, m is the number, that is being multiplied with x, and then you have a constant, or basically a number that's not being multiplied with anything. And so here, this is y. This is your m, which is basically the number that's being multiplied with x. This is x, the x. And then this is your b, which is your number that's just constant. It's not being multiplied with anything. So they all have that same format. We have our y's, we have our numbers, we have our x's, and then we have our numbers that don't have anything that they're multiplied with, or just our constants. And so which of these is not written in slope-intercept form? So if you answered C, that is the correct answer because this is not in slope-intercept form because we shouldn't have a 10y. It should just be y equals whatever it equals. So this should be simplified so that there is no 10 right here. The rest of these are all in slope-intercept form because we have y equals, we have our coefficients, we have our x's, and we have our constants. So the first step in finding the slope and the y-intercept is to make sure that your equation is in slope-intercept form. If it is not already in slope-intercept form, you need to put it in slope-intercept form. So an example of an equation that is not in slope-intercept form is right here, 10x plus y equals 8. And so in order to put that into slope-intercept form, we need to isolate the y. So we just have a y, and then we need to get this 10x to the other side. So in order to do that, we're going to subtract 10x from both sides. So this is going to cancel out, and we're going to have y equals 8 minus 10x. And so the next step is we're just going to rewrite that so that we're just going to switch the order, or we're going to move that 8 right here to the side. So instead of 8 minus 10x, it'll just be negative 10x plus 8. And so this is our final answer. Y equals negative 10x plus 8. In our second step, we're going to find the slope. So the slope is basically the coefficient of x, or basically the number that is multiplied with x. And so here in our example, we have y equals negative 5x plus 3. So negative 5 is the coefficient of x. So negative 5 is basically your slope. So what is the slope of the equation y equals 6x plus 3? Your answer should be A. It should be 6 because 6 is the number that's being multiplied with x. So in the third step, we will be finding the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is basically the constant, or the number without a variable in the equation. So in our example right here, we have y equals 7x plus 11. In this equation, 11 is the number without a variable, so it is the y-intercept. So this is your constant, and this is the y-intercept in the equation. So in this final pop quiz, you will be finding what the slope and the y-intercept of the equation y equals negative 8x minus 2. So pause this video if you need to and come back with the answer. So your answer should be D. The slope is negative 8 and your y-intercept is negative 2. And the slope is negative 8 because negative 8 is what's being multiplied with x, and your y-intercept is -2, because that is your constant right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up, and also make sure to comment down below if you liked it, if it helped you out, and if you just let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel. And please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Remember, it is free to subscribe, and it really helps me out a lot if you subscribe. And please hit the notification bell so that you can know when I upload a new video. And just thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Peace.